जय जगन्नाथ फ्रेंड्स समस्त को मोर नमस्कार। तो आज आपण मानक पई नहीं आसी एक इम्पोर्टाट अपडेट जोटा कि सरकारी कर्मचारी मानक पई आसिला खुशी खबर। तो समस्त सरकारी कर्मचारी मानक पई लागू हबो से नहीं आसी एक बड़ अपडेट। तो मुझे आपण मानक सविशेष तथ्य ये वीडियो माध्यम प्रदान करी। तेणु वीडियोटी संपूर्ण रूप से शेष पर्यटन देखूँ कौन चिठी आसी आपण संपूर्ण रूप से जनइबी। तेणु वीडियोटी को आपण मैंने शेष पर्यटन देखूँ और जो मैंने चैनल को प्रथम थर पर नुआ आसती निहाती भाव चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु और वीडियोटी को लाइक करके निज फ्रेंड्स मान सहित बहु मात्रा शेयर करूँ जहाँद्वारा कि समस्त पाखे इनफर्मेशन पहुँच पार। तेज एत कौन रही चलतु डिटेल्स अपडेट जाणवा। तो आपण मैंने लेटरटी को देखिपे लेटरटी आसी आपर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पर्सनल पब्लिक ग्रीवेंस एंड पेंशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पर्सनल एंड ट्रेनिंग जोटा कि 20 मे 2025 आसी। एटा एक ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम रही निहत भाव में आपण मैंने देखा दरकार कौन रही अपडेट। तो कौन रही देखो सब्जेक्ट रही ग्रांट ऑफ नोटेशन इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ 1 जुलाई और 1 जनवरी टू द एम्प्लॉइज हु रिटायर फ्रॉम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सर्विस ऑन 30 जून और 31 December respectively for purpose of calculating their पेंशनरी बेनिफिट रिगार्डिंग। तो जो माने रिटायरमेंट होउछंती सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय तो सेमानकर जो रही इनक्रीमेंट को लेकिन एक अपडेट आसी जोटा कि रिटायरमेंट पूर्व से इनक्रीमेंट हम से रिगार्डिंग रही। देखो कौन लिखाई ना द अंडरसाइंड इज डायरेक्टेड टू इनवाइट रेफरेंस टू द इंस्ट्रक्शन इश्यूड बाय दिस डिपार्टमेंट ओएम of even number dated 14/10/24 copy includes regarding grant of notation increment of 1 July or 1 January on the central government employee who retired are retiring from service a day before it becoming due, that is 30 June or 31 December and have rendered the requisite qualifying service as on the date of their superannuation with satisfactory work and good conduct of calculating the pension admissible to them. The said instruction were issued in compliance of the interim order number 6924 passed by the Honorable Supreme Court while hearing MA number 24 जोटा कि 2024 filed by M Office of Railway along with several intervention application tagged therewith. It was indicated therein that the action taken shall be subject to the final outcome of the petition filed by the department seeking review of the order dated 11/4/23 of the Honorable Supreme Court in CA number 2471/2023 on the subject matter. Honorable Supreme Court by order number 18/12/24 had dismissed the review petition filed by the Department of Observation that there is no error apparent on the face of record warranting reconsideration of the order impugned. Honorable Supreme Court has subsequently disposed of MA number 24/2024 filed by MO Railway and other petition by order dated 20/2/25 while issuing the following final direction in this matter. The judgment that dated 11/4/2023 will be given effect to the case of third parties from the date of judgment, that is the pension by taking into account one increment will be payable on the after 1/5/2023 enhanced pension for the period 30/4/2024 erroneously mentioned on the 31/4/2023 in the order will not be paid. For person who have filed a writ petition and succeed the direction given in the said judgment will operate as a res judicate. Accordingly, an enhanced pension by taking one increment would be paid. The direction will not apply where the judgment has not attained finality and cases where an appeal has been preferred or if filed is entitled by the appellate court. In case any retired employee filed an application for intervention or impediment or writ petition or original application before the Central Administrative Tribunal, High Court, Supreme Court, the enhanced pension by including one increment will be payable for the period of 3 years prior to the month of in which the application for intervention or implemented writ petition or original application was filed. The Honorable Supreme Court has decided that the direction referred at para 3D above will not apply to the retired government employee who filed the writ petition or original application or an application for intervention before the Central Administrative Tribunal or High Court or Supreme Court after the judgment of Union of India and Ansari versus M. Siddharaj. In such cases, directional referred in para 3 will apply. In addition, Honorable Supreme Court has clarified that in case any excess payment has already been made, including arrear, such amount paid will not be recovered. Court has decided that pending application, including all intervention or impediment applications, shall stand disputes of in term of this order. The matter has been examined in the consultation with Director of Expenditure and Director of Legal Affairs. It is advised that in purpose of above referred order dated 22/25 of the Honorable Supreme Court action may be taken to allow the increment on 1st July or 1st January to the central government employee who retired or are retiring a day before it become due, that is 30th June or 31st December, and have rendered the requisite qualifying service as on dated their superannuation with satisfactory work and good conduct for calculating the pension admissible to them as a specifically mentioned in the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. Grant on the notation increment on 1st January or 1st July shall be reckoned only for the purpose of calculating the pension admissible and not for the purpose of calculating of other pensionary benefit. This issue will the concurring Director of Expenditure by DI number 8/9/2019 dated 29/25 and Director of Legal Affairs by computer DI number E144903 dated 17/3/25. Hindi version will follow. The Hindi version follow to the Ministry or Department of Government of India. Copy include रही Secretary General Supreme Court of India, Controller General Accountant, Controller General Accounts, Ministry of Finance, सब डिपार्टमेंट को कॉपी दि जाइए. तो ये आपण आज अपडेट निहाती भाव में आपण गुरुत्वपूर्ण. वीडियोटी को भल लगी लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करने को जमा भूलें. चैनल को आसले सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. रोचे धन्यवाद. जय जगन्नाथ.